everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Wells Fargo Online step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Wells Fargo login and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying Wells Fargo and then tap on sign on at the top right of your screen. After this, you'll simply be redirected to the download now page. Simply hit the cross icon to log in to the browser itself. Here you'll have to enter a username along with your password. If you want to save your username, hit save username and then hit sign on. If you do not have an account, you will have to sign up for an account. Simply tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit enroll. Here you'll have to enter your social security number or ITIN along with your date of birth and then hit continue. If you do not have a social security number or ITIN, simply hit I do not have one, in which case you'll have to enter your card, loan or account number, hit continue and enter the rest of your details like your email address, your name and your password as asked by the browser, after which you'll be able to create your account and log in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.